Okay, what's up, guys? I'm pretty excited today. I was at Walmart and picked up a little toy for myself, and it's a Blackstone 22-inch griddle. Um, this is actually on sale at Walmart right now. I got it for a really good deal, just 99 bucks with tax and everything. But yeah, basically 100 bucks for a Blackstone griddle. Has two burners, good amount of griddling surface area, 361 square inches. I do have a MegaMaster 6-burner grill that I use for most of my main cooking, but this is more of an accessory. It's not replacing my grill, but it's going to be more of an accessory for breakfast items, hamburgers, hot dogs, stuff like that, and whatever else I could whip up on it. So I'm pretty excited. I'm going to try to put this together real quick. It says I read some. Oh, here you go. Easy assembly, 30 minutes or less. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up and see how the assembly goes, and I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Actually, before I get into the whole assembly and unboxing all that stuff, I did want to talk about some of the features here. This has that rear grease management system, I think they call it. So, and it also has the hood. Has that little hood that you could use for like basting and stuff. I don't know how good it is. I see like large gaps in the sides and stuff, so I don't know how airtight that hood is. So I think it'll probably still need one of those like little domes and stuff for melting cheese and stuff like that, but we'll try it out and see how it goes. This is the Blackstone 22-inch griddle. I think it's called a Adventure-Ready or something like that. Let me see I don't know. I don't see anything regarding the name, but I'm pretty sure I saw this. Online. They call it the 22-inch Adventure-Ready griddle, and I see them online for like 150 to 175. So when I saw it for 100 bucks, basically, I thought it was a really good deal. So I figured I'd pick it up and see how it works. So anyway, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so it's packaged pretty nicely. I don't think there's anything damaged in there, but just to go over things a little bit, it has a new style knobs. You see Blackstone, I would say in the last year or so, changed over to this new style for most of their griddles. I think all of their griddles now. And it has H-style burners, and I was reading up on some of the specs on this thing. It's supposed to get up to over 500 degrees, so I don't know how many BTUs there are. I didn't look that up, but these things get pretty hot, so let's see how we can hopefully sear some steaks and stuff on it once I get this bad boy assembled. So I'll be back in a little bit. All right, so I unboxed it and spread everything out on my kitchen island. So it doesn't look too bad. Oh, here's the Adventure-Ready. I was looking for that. So it was right in the box, actually, on the picture. I was looking for the wording somewhere else in the box. But yeah, it is an Adventure-Ready 22-inch Blackstone. This is the main unit. And like I was saying before, here's the H-style burners. And has two zones, the two knobs. And most of this stuff doesn't look that bad. This is some kind of, you got the brackets, the legs. You have the shelf over here. You have some wheels and stuff in this box here. You have that the grease trap here that goes towards the back, and then you obviously have the main section. This is with the hood, and the griddle is connected already, so that's something we don't have to worry about. And like I was saying before, I don't know how good of a basting it's going to do, because it's kind of a large gap. And so let's see how that goes. I'll probably have to buy a couple of accessories with this thing if you want to like melt cheese and stuff like that. I don't know how good this thing's going to actually trap the heat and the steam, but we'll see. But still, it's nice to have that hood there, because when it rains and stuff, I heard that these things rust up pretty bad. So unless you have a cover for it, it's going to be a pain to maintain sometimes with rain and stuff. But I have a covered. Well, it's nighttime now, but I have a covered patio back there, so it's not that big of a deal. Anyway, I'm gonna put this together, see if it takes me the half an hour like they said, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so pretty much wrapped up putting it together. It took better part of an hour. I would say maybe even an hour 15 for me to put this thing together. They say on the box half an hour, but I don't believe that. If you're putting together Blackstones for a living, then yeah, maybe you could put it together in half an hour. But if you're me doing this for the first time, and I'm pretty good at putting stuff together, I've done so many things, furniture and stuff with the house, and it still took me a good hour and 15. If I was really quick and didn't make a couple of my mistakes, then I probably could have put it together in about an hour. But overall, though, the fit and finish is pretty good. It went together pretty nicely. The bolts lined up pretty well. The quality of the construction is pretty sturdy, in my opinion. And I'll just close the hood here. It's got a little. See if I open it from this side, if I open it, see that the alignment is decent. I don't hear anything out of alignment, and it closes pretty solidly. Again, it has this version has that rear grease management system. They give you a free liner. I'll have to buy more, but so close the hood here. There's the liner, and that's where you basically push all the gunk and everything while you're cooking into that tray. It's a nice little feature. It has a nice little shelf here. I would have liked to have shelves on both sides, but the other side just has a handle, so you could wheel it around and whatnot. One thing I did notice was, it seems like these legs should be kind of flared out, in my opinion. It's just, I feel like the design would have been better with a little more of a beefy stance. When you're making smash burgers and stuff and you're pressing down on the top of the griddle, I would like to have these legs flared out a little bit, so it would give you more stability. But we'll see how this thing holds up over time, and if it wobbles and stuff when you're cooking. But I pressed down a little bit, and it feels pretty solid. But real world usage will maybe tell a different story. So we'll see how it goes. Again, this is the 22-inch Adventure-Ready, and it's has 360, I think, square inches of cooking space. They say you could fit 12 burgers on there, which is plenty. We have a family of 4. Even when we have guests over, it's no more than 8-10 people. So this should be sufficient for our needs. And again, we still have we have a Mega Master 6-burner grill. Again, it was from Home Depot, it was $225 or something like that, plus $100 for this. So for a little over $300, you have a pretty decent arsenal to cook all your griddle and grill needs with. So pretty happy with it so far. We'll see how it cooks. I'll make a separate video for setup and seasoning, and hopefully I'll have that up soon. So if you like more Blackstone content, then please, by all means, like the video and subscribe to our channel for upcoming stuff. We'll always have stuff coming out soon. Thanks.